For now, let's go ahead and click on accept. And from here, we want to go ahead and click on the X button at the top right first. So first things first, I'm going to explain you what is the things that's going on right now on our dashboard here. Now, in this case, we have our affiliate program section here. So currently, I have $3 or $7 here currently available in my account, but I also have the pending section and the withdrawn. Now, from the name itself, pending is going to be the cash that is currently pending when we try to withdraw, and withdrawn is what you've recently, or what the total if you've actually cashed out. Now, if you want to withdraw your cash, just click on withdraw via PayPal and just follow the steps for you to withdraw your cash. Now here, when you scroll down a bit more, it says that you can earn the following. So up to 20% commissions per new user order via your code that we'll be seeing later on. Now we also have the download reward here, which is going to be $3, and from there, per new application and download and log in via the affiliate link that we'll be getting later on, you'll be able to earn $3, which is a very good deal because you just need to share that specific link for you to start earning. Now also, you have the following event here, which is the referral race, wherein you'll be able to earn bonuses via this specific event here. So currently there's a timer for it. Like for example, we only have a 4 hours for us to get those bonuses via this specific race here. Now once we scroll up here, we'll be able to see different information as well. Now here we have share to earn. So like what I said before, we have links and codes that we could share to other people. Like for example, if you want to share your link, go ahead and click on copy here. And from here, you could go ahead and choose whatever platform here if you want to share this to other platform. Now, currently we have X, Facebook, Pinterest, and email in here. Now, also we have our code here. If you want to share that, click on copy here. And same thing, you could go ahead and choose whatever platform here. But if you click on share to earn here, same thing, same pop-up. What you need to do is just either click on copy link or copy code here, and from there you could go ahead and start sharing this to your friends, your family members, or even to people that you want to basically advertise this on. Now here, we also have the your referrals benefit section here. So currently, through your link, a $100 coupon bundle will be added also, and a redeem code that is 30% off will also be available. So in this case, how do we maximize on sharing this link here? So I would suggest you, whenever you share your link, that you make sure that you actually mention one of the benefits of actually using your link here. Like for example, like what we mentioned before, we have the through your link $100 coupon bundle here, as well as a 30% off redeem for your code. So regardless on what type of link that you access here, maybe your code or your link, you'll be able to start earning via their sign up. Now in this case, when you start sharing your link, I would suggest that you build a platform first. Now first things first is you want to basically determine where you want to share this link here. An example for it is TikTok. So TikTok is a very popular app wherein you'll be able to share funny things or even just share products there and add a link on that specific post or regarding your link. Like for example, you just share a product from Temu here, and you could go ahead and start adding those links into the description itself. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and use Instagram as well, which is a great platform to share links or even products, and from there just include the links on the post that you'll be getting for you to basically start promoting your link here. How to dropship on Temu. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you dropship in Temu? So currently, directly dropshipping from Temu is actually kinda not possible as of this moment, but there's going to be some things that you can do to make a workaround around this one. So currently, we'll be using Shopify. Now in this case, how do we actually get started? So first things first is you need to have an account on Temu. So in this case, make sure that you have an account. In this case, at the top right here, you should be able to see your name here, or if you haven't logged in first, you should be able to see the sign in or sign up button in here. But once you've created your account, we're now ready to start adding our Temu products into our Shopify store. Now what we need to do here is we need to go to our Shopify store here. So go to shopify.com